Man, you too. I'm back with a banger video. Well, it's gonna be the first video, but this is gonna be my trading channel. I'm about to document all of my trades, everything from the psychology to how I trade, why I trade. I'm gonna show you the profits. I'm gonna be super transparent. I'm gonna show you everything behind the scenes, everything behind my trades, and let's get right into it, bro. Starting off first. Let me get this clear. Hold on. Let me get this clear. Let me make myself a little bigger real quick for y'all boys, man. I'm in high school. I take these trades while I'm in school. Keep in mind that I'm not on my setup, dual monitor, feel me, locked in like that. I'm in school, so bear in mind. We're still in the phase of grinding right now. Let's get straight to the charts though. So today, I only trade the SPY. I only trade this right here because I'm trying to master it. I'm not trading like Tesla and all this other stuff at once. I'm trying to focus on this. Let me just break down the strategy right here. We're gonna jump to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, the strategy that I'm using right here is a 15-minute opening range breakout. So as soon as the market opens, I wait for this 15-minute candle to close right here. I wait for this candle to close, and then boom, I mark out the highs and I mark out the lows. So today we started off red. Right, we started off red. You see the pre-market, not that much movement in pre-market. We started off red with a big drop. Boom. Keep in mind, when this happened, my class was taking photos. We had to take a photo shoot for like the senior class. So boom, this happened. I dropped down to the 5-minute time frame. Dropped down to a small time frame. The reason why you drop down to a small time frame is to get a good entry. All right. So boom, I hop into the small time frame. This is 5, 10, 15 minutes. Right. I waited 5 minutes. I was just sitting around in the gym because we weren't doing nothing. So boom, 5, 10 minutes right here. The market's just going sideways. The market's really just consolidating right here. Right here in the zone, market was just consolidating. Then I see this candle drop down. I'm like, okay, let's see what happens. Boom, this candle drops down. I'm like, okay, we just broke out this range. I waited for it to close. I'm not gonna lie, I waited for it to close because my other trades, I kept getting. I was liquidity. The candles literally just came down here and then boom, it shot right back up. I could show you this right here. This candle right here literally fucked me, bro. Pause. This candle right here, literally, I took it early. I was anticipating the market because I was just money hungry. I took this short right here before the candle closed. This was a huge mistake. Do not take this mistake. So because of that, right? So because of that, boom, today, I waited for this candle to close to give me confirmation on how I should enter this trade. So boom, this candle closed. I really entered the trade around, let's go to the 3-minute. I really entered this trade, yeah. I entered this trade around this candle right here. As soon as I entered this trade, bro, it started going up. I was nervous. I ain't gonna lie, I was nervous, bro. Like, I was nervous seeing the trade go up because, like, I thought it was gonna be liquidity again, twice in a row. So I was like, hell no, there's no way I'm gonna be loose free. So I just let it play out. Bro, came up to here, started dropping down. I'm like, okay, things is going good. Boom, this candle happens. Pew! I'm like, okay, I could ease up. So I just rested up. I was like, all right, bet. I'm chilling. I don't got nothing to stress about right here, right? Nothing to stress about for real. Let me hop into the 1-minute time frame. Hop into the 1-minute time frames to give you a more detailed explanation of what's going on. Put this back to here. Okay, so you see this happening. Boom, this candle drops down. Boom, boom, boom. Now let me hop into my Webull. All right, I'm gonna screen record my Webull right now. Hold on, 3, 2, 1. Now the screen recording just started. Hopefully I'll put this up on the screen for y'all. Okay, so you see I buy in at 9:59, right? 9:59 is about here. 9:59, 44 seconds. So about when this candle closes, right? Boom, immediately shot up. Started going down. 10:06. 10:06:17. I'm not gonna lie, this candle dropped down fast. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure I took some profits right here. Took some profits right here. That was like $30 right there. And I said I'm gonna move my stop to break even. I moved my stop to break even at this candle right here. That's literally what I did. At this candle right here, I moved my stop to break even. And I just let it play out for a few more minutes, right? I just let it play. I'm like, oh, this market just keeps on dropping. And at this moment in time, my friends were next to me. They were like, how much did you make? They were literally watching me trade. So it was like, how much did you make? Da 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 da. Bro. So it's like 10:09. I check how much I made. I'm up like, hold on, let's see how much I was up. I'm up like 13%. I'm up like 12% on my port. So I'm like, I bet. I'm gonna just close right here. Cause keep in mind, I lost the other day. I lost like mad bread the other day. So I'm up 13%. I'm like, holy shit, I bet. So it's like 10:09 about right here. 10:09 about right here. 10:09. Boom. I fully exit the position. Keep in mind the market just kept on dropping where I wanted it to go. This was, how much was this? Hold on, let's see what was the risk ratio to this. I'm pretty sure it was a 1-to-1. Yeah, it was about a 1-to-1. My stop was above this candle right here. It was above this candle right here. Let me just mark it out. It was above this candle, right? These highs, sort of. Right, these highs. I was like, bro, if the market goes up to here, let's go to the 5-minute, so you get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Right, my stop loss was above this wick right here. This wick on this candle, that's where my stop loss was. Okay, because when the market comes down to here, I seen this video on SMC Capital. I think it was SMC or S&P Capital. They were fire traders. They're like, if the market, like if the candle goes up twice, if you see 2 green candles, they go above these 2 red candles, the market's going the other direction. So I was like, I bet I'm gonna keep my stop right here. Boom, 1-to-1 ratio. Keep in mind, I just started like locking in, so I wasn't getting too greedy. I just wanted a 1-to-1. I wanted to win a trade and make back my losses. I just need slow, steady games consistently. I don't know why I'm still recording, but yeah, let's hop back into the 1-minute. Let's hop into the 1-minute. Boom. So yeah, as you can see, the market continue to go down, right? I'm not gonna lie, I seen the market go down all the way to here, which is like a 1-to-2. I could have had a 1-to-2. If I could make this play any better, I would have took one. I would have scaled one contract right here instead of scaling it out like up to here. I would have took one contract at a 1-to-1 and then let the other contract play out down here to get the 1-to-2. But that's just a learning moment right there, because I would have been up like an extra $50, $100. The contract went up a lot. The contract went up to, let's see how much it went up to. The contract went up to 280 at its peak. I'm gonna screen record it right here. The contract went up to 280 at its peak. All right here, about around 1022, and at like 1017 it was at 250. I sold at 210. So that's an extra $40, extra $80 right there that I missed out on. But you know, it's okay. We learn from these mistakes, and we can only keep growing from them. And I made money today, so I can't really I can't beat myself up too bad. But yeah, that's a good trade right there. And then boom. So I took this trade. I was green, and I didn't really think much about it. I just left it. What's it called? The photos were done in school. I'm still in school. So after this was done, I just started walking around talking to my friends, just starting to do random stuff. Then boom, we had to go back to class. Second period goes by. I see this trade forming, right? Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute. Boom. I go to the 5-minute. I see the market's trying to recover. And let me put my indicators on so you get a better understanding. Okay, I forgot to mention this. My indicators, all right? The VWAP and the EMAs. Let me go to the settings. Inputs. EMA 7 and EMA 25. I don't think it's supposed to be 25. It should be 21, but either way, it's still good. It still works. All right, and we have the VWAP. You have to have VWAP if you're trading. Not gonna lie. So I just see I had the red line above the green line. Essentially, what this means, the market is bearish. The market is going down right now. When the red line's above the green line, market's going down, and when the green line comes above it, it means the market should be going up. Should be a bullish market, right? So boom. Keep in mind, I had this. I was like, okay, so I was looking for shorts. I wasn't really worried about, you know, if price comes up to here. I was looking for shorts. Boom. That was also confirmation. These indicators give me a confirmation on when to enter. So boom, red line was above the green line, and it was above VWAP. So it was like, okay, this is a good play. So boom, I took the short. That's exactly what happened. Just went down. Could have had the 1-to-2. It's all right though. So next play. This play I didn't take it on my live account. It really was like a paper trade. It wasn't a real trade. So I just see the price come up to here. It comes up to VWAP, and it touches VWAP twice, right? You see it price touch VWAP twice right here. So I see price touch VWAP twice. I'm like, okay, let's see if it breaks. It didn't break VWAP, and the red line is pretty far from the green line. It has some good distance. So I was like, okay, price is retracing from VWAP. The sellers right here, also, if you look closely, is literally at my entry price, right? Not literally at it, but it's close to my entry right here. It was close to my entry. So I was like, okay, let's see if I re-enter this trade, right? Let's see if I add it to my position. Boom, enter this trade. Pew, pew. You literally caught a quick 1-to-1. And I believe if you went down, probably wouldn't be a full 1-to-2, but like you would have got like a 1.5 easily. But this was a good little 1-to-1 trade. Reason why I'm going for 1-to-1s, I have a small account. I'm trying to grow the small account, and I'm also practicing for when I get a funded account. I don't want to risk a lot, and I also want to make consistent gains, right? I want to make consistent gains, so that's why I'm going for 1-to-1s. But if you can see right here, boom, the market came down. It literally perfect play right here. perfect play. I was really looking at it 5 minute only. I didn't even go down to 1 minute. I just seen this like, I seen the sellers coming strong around VWAPs. I was like, okay, boom, perfect. Take that short. Pew, pew, pew. Candle drop, quick 1-to-1. You would have made an extra, I don't know, depending on how the cons moved, I'll probably say like $50 or so, maybe like 100. It's really up to you how many cons you get in. But yeah, I seen this play. I was like, okay, bet. I would have exited right there. It kept dropping. I'm like, all right, is it what it is? But as you can see, it didn't drop that much. This is why I don't go for like 1-to-2s, right? If you went to a 1-to-2, you would have literally targeted this low. Price did not even get down to this low. Right, and the volume was low. I ain't gonna lie, the volume is low compared to around was around here. So that's why I don't really target 1-to-2s. But yeah, as you can see, the market just kept doing its thing. And Loki was just consolidating the whole day. I'm not gonna lie, it was just consolidating in this little zone, not really doing much. And after this, I really wasn't looking at it. I was just seeing how the market was going. Towards the end, I see it went up. I was like, all right, best, perfect. Put this out to here. All right, just stretch it all the way out, just so you can see it. Right, boom. Just what I ordered here. As you can see with the indicator, green line, right? The green line goes above. Hold on. Once this green line crosses above the red, what do you see happen? A huge bullish move up, And what do we see the market doing? Continuing the uptrend when the blue line is up, when the green line is up, I mean. So yeah, this is a good indicator I like to use while I'm trading. I use it as confirmation. I use it as confirmation on when to enter trades. I don't use it to trade. I don't trade just using this indicator, right? It's very important that you do not do that, because these indicators, they're laggy. As you can see right here, boom, you see the cross, you see the green candle, but what happens? The market comes down and it crosses again, right? This is why you don't use this indicator unless you use it as a confirmation. That's how I'm gonna say it for you guys. But yeah, this is how I traded it for today. And not gonna lie, could have done better. And let me jump to the futures contracts, because I know most of you guys probably aren't trading options. You're trading futures or forex, whatever you want to fucking trade. Let's hop to the 15-minute. Let me go right here. I don't know why I don't have my session indicators on. I normally have those on. I think I deleted it because I was looking at something. Look at trading sessions. Go to my settings. Style, boom, boom. Okay. Alright. So I only use it so I can understand like how the market opens, so you could use my strategy better. 15-minute, as you can see, 9:45. What do we see happen? Let's go to the 5 minutes. Jump to the 5-minute. 5, 10, 15. We have this 15-minute low. I marked it out. 15-minute low. We have this consolidation. It's literally the same thing as SPY, but I just want to show you on a futures contract, right? So let's say I got on my funded account. When I get my funded account, I'm still, how do I say, I'm putting myself through my personal evaluation. I'm trying to make sure this whole month I'm profitable on my live account. So as you can see right here, sell order right here. Okay, TP. Take profit down here, and my stop loss is literally above this candle. Okay. So as you can see, I risked 1150 to make about 1500. To make about 1400. Let's round it up 1500. Right? This play would have made me 1500 on my funded account. Alright, that would have been amazing. Amazing quick trade. Literally took about, how many minutes is that? Like 10 minutes. Literally took me about 2 candles. And I could have made more. Like, look, if I really held it out to the 1 or 2, would have made about 2 bands, 3 bands easily 2 bands. All right, let's just keep it at that. Easy 2 bands. But keeping it consistent, quick 1500 on the day, easily, just like that. 10 minutes on the funding, right? So I just want to show that for clarification for you guys. I don't know why this is in the way. That probably is annoying to most of you guys, but yeah. So that is a trading recap for today. Today is, does it say right here? It doesn't say right there, but today is November 20th, 2024, guys. Hopefully by December or January, I should get it funded, right? Because this month of November is really just me testing out my strategy, making sure it's consistent. So far, it is consistent. I just have to work on the psychology of trading. Like, bro, sometimes, like, let's go back to yesterday. Bro, I just be getting greedy. This is not a real trade. This is not a real trade. Let's go back to SPY. You see, this is why I don't use sessions, because on SPY, like, you usually have pre-market sessions. You don't need thingy, right? Let me just delete this box. So as you can see right here, The strategy, the lines were pretty close together, and I literally know not to do this, but I still do it because I be greedy, right? The lines are super close together. You kind of don't want to trade in this zone. And look at this, it's within this 15-minute range. It's within the 15-minute range. Let me try to show you guys. Oh my gosh, trading view, stop being so gay. All right, boom. As you can see in this 15-minute, we mark out the first candle, the top and the bottom. This candle right here wrecked me right here. You see it broke below, it broke the low. Let me just draw it out for you guys. It broke the low. It broke the low, but it did not close below the low. This is one thing you have to keep in mind with the strategy. Make sure the candle closes below the low. Right, let's hop back into the 5-minute. Bruh, I keep making these silly mistakes. All right, keep on. It's my first video, so we're gonna get better with it. It broke below the low, and it immediately went back up. I went in short, and it just kept going up. I got cooked, and I was like, all right, it's gonna come back down. I forgot what happened, but I think I went long right here. I went long right here because I thought it was just gonna keep going up, and I was trying to make my money back. I was over trading essentially. So boom, the market's just literally going sideways, and the lines are close together. Bad trade, but me being greedy, I got lucky actually. I seen that it was coming up. I seen that if it did not make this low, the buyers were strong. So I was like, all right, bet I'm gonna go long, try to make this money back. I did in fact make the money back, not all of it, but I made most of it back. I was only down like 30 bucks. It was lit. So I see it come back all the way up. I probably took profit around here, and bro, it just kept going up. It just kept on flying, bro. I would have had a 1 to 4 if I just held it. 1 to 3, 1 to everything, bro. The market just kept going up after the strategy. Let me just move this out the way. You can see once the green line went above the red, if we zoom in right here, once you see that little cross, boom, and you have the cross, and you add in the fact that it broke above the 15-minute high, super strong candle right here, and the volume's going up. If you followed my strategy, if I followed my strategy down to the T, boom, long position right here. Stop loss literally around this line, probably at the end of this candle. I would say stop loss right there. Would have caught an easy 1 to 6, 1 to 1. Caught the easy 1 to 2, probably easily caught this trade in about what's this 10:30 to 11:30. If you waited for an hour, it's really depends. This is a patience game. It's really a waiting game. We would have easily caught this little 1 to 1 trade easily with barely risking anything. Right, the price only went down a little bit. Even if you put your stop to this line, quick 1 to 2 reward ratio. W trade, W strategy. I've been doing a strategy literally all month. I haven't lost, and the only times I lied, I have lost, but the only times I lost is because of like I was rushing trades. I was seeing how trades were playing out, and I was like, oh, let me get in this position a little earlier. Like, see it right here. I was thinking to myself, what if I got into position right here in the middle? I would have capitalized a lot on this trade. But that's not how it should be. You should wait for the entry. You should wait for your plan. Stick to your plans and stay consistent. That's what you should do. Lesson learned, right? That's literally the only reason why I lost, is because I got greedy and wasn't sticking to my plan. So yeah, guys, I think this is the end of the video. There's really not much for me to say. Now I'm thinking about it, I'm just recording my trades. I wish I could record it live for you guys, but like I'm in school, and today I was trading on my phone. I really just traded on my phone because like I didn't want to pull out my laptop in the gym around mad people. Just seem mad weird, right? If I was in class sitting down, yeah, I always use my laptop around market open because my class is chill. But yeah, hopefully this video's good. It's gonna be good. I'm chatting, but yeah, like if you're trading, stick to your plan. Just lock in on what you gotta do. Like and subscribe this video, cause like, bro, if you find this video now when I have like no subscriber on this channel, no views, bro, you're gonna literally watch me grow into a profitable trader. You're gonna watch me make thousands, hundreds of thousands just trading, not even counting the other businesses that I have started. This is just my trading channel, put aside my main YouTube channel where I just do fun stuff like trolling, raising up girls, all that stuff. So subscribe now while you can, cause you're literally gonna be the first person in the making. You're literally gonna be the first person to watch me grow. It's literally gonna be you. Hold on, let me bring up the chart. Let me bring up this chart so you get a better understanding of what I'm trying to tell you right here. It's literally gonna be you buying the S&P 500 right here during COVID time. Literally. Is there gonna be you buying COVID during this time? Let's do the order right here. Take profit and stop loss. Bruh. It don't even let you do this, bro. It doesn't even let you make the fake order on here, bro. It don't even let you do it. I wish I could show you, but bro, let's look at the profit. You would have made if you liked and subscribe right here. If you liked and subscribe, you really have no risk from liking and subscribing because it's free. And you just grinded it out with me. My nigga, what is that? 1 to 700 risk ratio? 1 to what? 365 ratio? You would have been up a lot, okay? You would have been up millions. So make sure you like and subscribe, man. That played out for a little too long. Hopefully you're still watching the video and you're not bored. But yeah, like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.